My brother recently broke his Beats headphones and was hoping for an Apple replacement for Christmas. But instead, my dad decided to fix the Beats by buying a new band off Amazon for about $15 to $20. The package contained the band, 2 screwdrivers, and the screws. As you can see, the flap of the Beats is already coming off, so it was easy to pull one side off. The first step was to extend the Beats and remove all 4 screws. My dad had a little bit of trouble with this step, but he found it easier after folding the Beats in half. After the screws are off, it should be much easier to slide the band off. And then a layer of padding, which is also easy to snap off. Now that the broken band is gone, we can reassemble with the new one. First, he'll align the outermost band with both ends of the Beats. After that, he lined up the cushioning and snapped it together. He ensured to press it firmly. After that, it was easy enough to press on the innermost flap. He used the screwdriver to press the ends together. He pressed the padding into the grooves. The final step was to reattach all 4 screws. Once they were both screwed in on one side, the band just snaps back together. He repeated this process for the second side, and they were good as new. Though he'll probably have to get some new padding for the ear cups as they're starting to peel. The Beats were working fine once again. My dad might even plan to re-give this to my brother as a Christmas present.